All right, welcome once again. This is Property Doctor TV. Today we'll be looking at very important topic, which is land documents in Nigeria. So a lot of people buy land or property and they've not secured it with a document. Documents don't lie, but people can lie and change their words, right? My name is Samuel Tami, the legal officer here at Lonely Planet Guards Limited, and I want to tell you that your land documents are very, very important and you need to secure your land. This is very, very key. Very, very important. So what are land documents you can get to secure your investments when it comes to property? First is called the receipt. Yes, the receipt is the first thing you need to get to show that you actually paid for that land, but you don't need to stop there. The second thing you need to get is called the contract of sale, especially where you are not paying everything at once. So if you want to do initial payment then pay others in installments, you need to get your contract of sale. Very important. So the contract of sale will show that there is an agreement to transfer a particular property to you, right? So in case the person dies, you can always sue his family members. Very, very key. Now, the next thing I'll be talking about is the deed of assignment. After all payments have been made, make sure you draft a deed of assignment through your lawyer, and then every signatory signs before you close that transaction. If you have not closed any transaction without signing a deed of assignment, a deed of assignment is very, very important to your land buying in Nigeria. Yes, it's very, very key. You must have a deed of assignment evidencing that transfer of title. Very, very important. Then the other one is called the survey plan. Now the survey plan is very important too, because the deed of assignment cannot show the area of land that has been sold to you, but the survey plan will show that particular area of land that has been sold to you, so which is very, very key when it comes to buying land or buying a property in Nigeria. So make sure you have your survey plan attached to the deed of assignment, which is very key. In fact, if you don't have money to do perfection, those two documents are very, very important. But then proceed to do your perfection as soon as you have the fund to do it. Why? Because when you do your perfection, you have raised the value. There are different ways by which you can raise the value of your real estate investment. Number one, it can be through perfection. Imagine maybe you used to have, make sure you go and watch the video on land titles. We've talked about land titles on this channel. Imagine if you have, let's say, a freehold, and then you get a certificate of occupancy. Wow, that's boosting. So if you are selling for 5 million before, you can decide to raise it to 7 million or even raise it to 10 million naira, depending on how fast the places are appreciating. So very, very important. Your title can raise the value of your property, and also the location and what is happening presently at that location. So thank you very much. The last one is called probate. You need to get probate. Probate means that you want to buy land from somebody who is dead. You need to ask them for probate. Like, probate means that if there is a will that has allocated that property to that particular person, where is the probate to show that if the person did not leave a will, and then you say, okay, we actually went to the court and we got, where is the letter of administration? These documents are very, very important when it comes to land documents in Nigeria. So I mentioned to you the receipt or purchase receipt. The second one I talked about deed of assignment. Another one I talked about the survey plan. Then I also talked about probate or letter of administration. Then lastly, I'll be talking about court judgment. So if you want to buy a land that has judgment on it, I would advise you buy one with a Supreme Court judgment. Why? Because the other party can decide to appeal the case, right? But if you have bought a land with court judgment, what you need to do is to get the ruling of the court. So you want to get the ruling of the court that gave the judgment in favor of the seller. So you don't just want to say, oh, there's a court judgment, and then you just want to buy without doing your own due diligence. See, due diligence is key when it comes to property purchase in Nigeria. So you need to get the court ruling to show that the case is actually, or the judgment is in favor of that particular party, and then you can proceed to buy, right? So make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you like this video. If you like it, comment also and put your comment below. Anything you want us to share with you, we'll be ready to share. And remember, we'll be sharing with you a number of tips that can help you get the best deals when it comes to property. So follow us also at Lonely Planet NG on all social media platforms. Thank you very much.